Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the queen of ceremony, Stefanie Batiste.
She's an actress, a model, TV host. Stefanie Batiste, new in the most. She done been there, done all that. Humble and grateful, believing.
I know Bernard though, my man. Some of y'all don't. But one thing's for certain, two things for sure. By the time I get off this mic, y'all won't know my name. And by the time I get up doing this thing, I'ma know y'all vibe. Listen. I just came to party. I see you. I just came to have a good time, yeah. See, I just came to sing my song, yeah. If y'all don't mind, you don't mind, do you, brother? Listen, see, I'm not from around here, so I don't know how y'all get down. I see the boots on. Girl, you need somebody, yeah, to show me around. Let me tell you who I am. My name, listen, is LoKey. Country with a K, baby. LoKey Country, for those who are spelling with me. But it's LoKey. Country with a K, baby. Now, this part for y'all. Listen. If you came to party, ooh, then wave your hands in the air like this. Hey, hey. And if you came to have a good time, yeah, then wave your hands in the air like this. I see you, brother. If you don't mind me singing my song, then wave your hands in the air like this. Hey, hey. And if you know it, sing along, yeah. And wave your hands in the air. Don't get tired on, cause I'ma tell you who I am again. Listen, it's LoKey. Country with a K, baby. LoKey. From the first song, I'm a Southern Soul artist. Y'all gonna see some Southern Soul artists, great artists tonight. All right? So, I wanna make sure we in the right Southern Soul environment real quick. Y'all listen to Southern Soul, right? Yes! I bet you $5. I bet you $5. I bet you $5 you don't know the next song though. All right, I'm gonna tell you, you don't know. All right, DJ, spin me. Let me see what we got. Turn me up. Am I in the right place tonight? Am I in the right place tonight? Hey! Am I in the right place? Am I in the right place tonight? Hey! Hey! Am I in the right place? I'm in the right place tonight. I think she knows the song. I gotta give her $5. Listen. I work hard all week, and it's time to take a break. Play me some overseas or some yeah. Call me later, cause I won't be at home. Hey, I'm going out tonight, cause I feel like giving it all. See, I came out to have a good time, yeah. That's all, and that's all my mind. See, I got a little money, got my whiskey. Cause tonight, yeah, hey, let me tell you this. I'm not gonna sit around all night long. Listen, I'm gonna dance until the morning, yeah. I'm gonna let all my troubles go. It's 2 a.m. in the morning and I'm ready for more. See, I came out to have a good time. Hey, that's all my. See, I got a couple $, got my whiskey. people to make some noise real quick. So we gonna do this for the party people. Y'all ain't down, listen. Hey, if you don't want to party, your ass gotta go. You don't want to party, your ass gotta go. You don't want to party, your ass gotta go. Your ass gotta go. Now y'all say with me. If you don't want to party, if you don't want to party, if you don't want to party, say your ass gotta go. If you don't want to party, if you don't want to party, if you don't want to party, hey. That's it, y'all hands there. Y'all cutting up. Y'all cutting up. Y'all cutting up. I seen you. All right, y'all having a good time? Yeah. Listen, y'all make some noise for Stefanie Batiste one time, man. This is a hard-working, educated, melanated woman out here inviting y'all to get on a boat. That ain't coming out right. But we know. But at the end of the day, we celebrating Black excellence right now. Can we make some noise for that? All right, if she's inspired you, man, inspire somebody else by the things you do. All right, now we're gonna get back to this music. Now, what's my name? LoKey, Kountry with a K. All right, I want to see all y'all on my followings and everything on social media. You know how to spell it now. You know how to spell it. All right, what's your name? May I'ma see you tomorrow. All right, not like that. Y'all kind of like, y'all nasty. Y'all nasty. Yes, ma'am, I'm on Facebook. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm on the Facebook. All right. Now, we gonna get into this feel-good music. All right, we got ready to party some more? This is one of my original songs. DJ, turn it on and turn it up. Hey, hands up. Party, party, party. Hey, y'all know what type of music this is? Hey, this time the trunk bottles of the feel the kind of music. Come on, get some of that melanation. You know this time. Some hey, listen. It's like Friday, and I just got paid. Hey, money in the, listen. Feels like a party going on. Hey, and I'm on the way. I'm on the way, man. Listen, it makes me feel like dancing and romancing all night long. Listen, hey, so DJ turn it up, 'cause I just wanna get my party on. Anybody wanna party tonight? Everybody wanna party tonight? Drop the bottles high, get your girl crazy. Hey, you know this time. Drop it low, see, I can't have a good time. All I wanna do is clear my mind. I don't want no problems. I don't want no attitude. All I need is good vibes, music, me in a good mood. Come on now. So go in and get your whiskey, or go in and grab your swing. You got me in the business. So somebody gon' see me coming out. All right, I know it. If somebody asks you what you feeling like, turn to your neighbor, church folks. Turn to your neighbor and say, oh, what it is. Hey, listen. It's the same model from earlier. It's the same model. If you don't want to party, drop it low. If you don't want to party, if you don't want to party, your ass gotta go. DJ, come here, baby. Y'all make some noise for your beautiful melanated selves one time. Look at, they still got the spirit over there. Look at that, they still got the spirit. Spirit king. Yeah. Listen, y'all didn't hear me say it. All right. No, that's all good. I love the name. All right. Now again, y'all got my name, LoKey Kountry. That's settled. You already following on the Facebook. Yes, ma'am, on the Facebook. She's following already. All right, everybody else, y'all fall in line. All right, now where all my lovers, where my couple people at one time? Make some noise. Make some noise for love, black love. Make some noise for your beautiful selves. Bernard, salute you, brother. You been the man a whole day. All right. Now, before I get out of here, where all the single, nasty women at? I almost caught you. I'm just joking. I see, I knew it was always one. We always got one. Hey, I'm with you when you're right. Listen, we'll figure it out. All right, so before I get up out of here, I got to do my latest single. I'm glad you asked, May. May, if you would come right here. Make some noise for May one time. Make some noise for May. Come on, right here. She asked me, what is my new single that's out right now? It's ironic that she asked me because it's called Boot Song. Okay? So you already know what the after you on this song. You go ahead and get comfortable. You go ahead and find your lane. You sit right there, and I got you. You sit right there. You sit right there. Hold on, man. Because you sit this age, man. You sit right there. All right? Come on now. All the children on the boat. All right. Them children out here, it's all grown folk. Uh-oh, she didn't even know what was about to happen. She didn't even know. Smitty, give it to her one time. Listen, she says she likes it down and dirty, but she ain't never worried. She don't play by no rules.